Okay, this is the request. First it was manager approval. It is approved. Then it went to approval owner right for the application owner and it is in pending. Okay, this is the request ID. And what is the request ID? We saw here right. So this request ID, it is 440,302. Okay. Go to your account. 440302, this is your request ID. So open this request. Right. And you see the same thing right, it came for the application owner. So click on Accept All Right. Write some comment here. And confirm it. So now the request is approved. If I go back again to my original tab here, so earlier it was for manager, which is already approved. Now it is with approval, owner right. It was in pending. Just refresh it. Now, if you go to the approval owner task, right, it is approved now. Okay. Once it is approved immediately. It generated the task for me. Okay. This new task, for one is for your new account and another for Azure R-Access. Okay. So once you approve the process, this request, your account will be generated or created in your target application. So this is how you can deal with your manager workflow or application workflow. And this approval workflow right. Basically, you will see in the real time you have a different workflow for your business purpose. Okay.